Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, not Mpumelelo saying ukuthi if it was not for Umusa Mseleku, he would have dumped Uvuyokazi a long time ago. But he goes on to say ukuthi Umusa Umthombeni kept saying ukuthi hey unengane naye ini you must stay with her because of the children, and that's the reason why they are still in this situation. Guys, it makes me think ukuthi hayibo guys, we need to stop making excuses for these men because they know exactly what they are doing. And sometimes these men, they act like that because angithi bathi ngesizulu intombi hey you don't dump a girl. So what do? They show you through their actions. They make sure you go through the most, you go through umgoa to a point where you're gonna eventually leave the relationship. Because I mean, was not Mpumelelo doing that, guys? Hayibo. And Uvuyokazi she kept holding on, guys, telling herself ukuthi hey, my man is what? Kanti Mpumelelo knew exactly what he was doing. The only, guys, that is painful on its own. For someone to say ukuthi the only reason why they did not dump you was because of their father. It was giving vibes vele. Ukuthi Musa was kind of saying ukuthi sometimes you marry a person not because you love them, but because you have children with them, and who else is going to marry that person or that woman with children? As if men don't marry a woman with children. I mean, Musa, he did it himself. Shame, guys. Uvuyokazi. Guys, I think Uvuyokazi, listen, at this point, she can write. I hope she has learned her lessons. And I think she can write a book, you guys, that can help single girls or young unmarried girls. Because, once they show you flames, once a person shows you their true colors, believe them. Stop trying to make excuses for a person. Stop trying to think ukuthi they are being influenced by what. There was a point that I even thought ukuthi Musa Mseleku was the one who was kind of influencing Mpumelelo to act the way he was acting towards Uvuyokazi. Kanti now we're hearing the truth. No, Umusa was the one who was actually influencing Mpumelelo to act the right towards Uvuyokazi, but still he didn't. And then eventually Uvuyokazi, like, it's almost as if Mpumelelo put her, like he forced her into a corner to leave that relationship because he did something that he knew very well which she will not stand it, which is taking or possibly marrying a wife before her, knowing which Uvuyokazi was the first girlfriend. The question is, where is the girl now, guys? Mpumelelo is not married, so you can see which it was just excuses. It was just a way of him getting rid of her. But anyway, guys, but Ukeli, she seems to be doing well for herself. And listen, guys, I think Uvuyokazi is a good example. You know what? Even to maybe Mseleku's wives. Yes, she was dating Mpumelelo, who has the fame and all of that. But guys, she has her fame independent from Mpumelelo now, and she seems to be thriving, and it seems like she's still gonna thrive now that she's also on YouTube. So I think it's a message even to the other wives, Ziga Musa Mseleku, like, I don't know if it's true, but it does give off the vibes that they are scared to leave the relationship because I mean, like, where do you go from a Musa Mseleku type of thing? But at the end of the day, guys, like, God will make a way for you. You don't have to stay in a situation where like your mental health is being compromised to that extent. But then again, guys, the difference is that Uvuyokazi, she was Mjolene. These are wives Emshadweni, which makes it a different ball game altogether. But anyway, let's park it right there. Let's give it up for Mpumelelo, guys, because listen, they decided to give him a few minutes of fame. I don't know for what. And listen, even those few minutes, like, ayikho ebhadlileyo ayithethileyo Mpumelelo. Like, I don't even see this guy much. I mean, he's there that time, guys. He's telling himself what he's dropping wisdom pearls. Anyway, guys, let's park it there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.